Ciao a tutti, today we're in Ospedaletti and we're about to show you our new listing 140 square meters apartment with a spectacular sea view for us. So today I'm about to show you a house in Ospedaletti in just under 800,000 euro. But before talking about the house, I'd rather tell you about the location, because the location here is absolutely standout. So it is situated in a really historic street, the old circuit of Ospedaletti, famous for hosting the Formula One races back in the 1950s. Besides, from this brilliant location you have the facilitated access to the highway exit, permitting you to avoid intense traffic during the high peaks and seasons. Proceeding with the property, the first thing to mention is that the apartment is situated in this beautiful residence composed of two villas and is occupying the upper floor of one of them. The property features plenty of outdoor space, starting from this useful private garden where you can enjoy barbecue with the family and also enjoy the sun baths. So proceeding with the apartment, now we are entering into this living area. Which takes you directly to the surrounding terrace, from which you have the direct access to the kitchen. Just follow me. From here, we're heading to the master bedroom, also with a direct access to the terrace. And afterwards, we have a bathroom here. So let's go up upstairs. One more living space here with the terrace, overlooking the sea view. Separate kitchen, which is right here. On the left, we have this bedroom with a wardrobe and one more bathroom